come down, all of you.
Okay.
So I will explain you what we have here.
What you have here? Okay.
You reach first.
Oh, you come out, you feel the heat.
You're slim like me, so that's why I can want to help you.
I'm slim like you, I'm big like you.
Be careful.
Oh my god. Thank you. Do you know what? We're gonna start with the camera.
Eventually, once we reach at the camp.
Yeah, the you know the camera, so that we take nice picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be back.
Once we reach at the camp. Once we reach at the camp.
We'll do the camera first. Yeah, good.
So we have a airport bike.
No problem.
So here.
Thank you.
Let them become deserts. Then we go. We have a quad bike here.
Oh.
And the buggies. We will be here for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, yeah. We'll be here for 45 minutes. Yeah.
The quad bikes, buggies. Which do you want to drive? Quad bikes?
Yeah, she's.
There is a quad bike. And
I will sit with her because I'll be recording.
Then buggies is good because more power and they will go outside. We'll have more fun.